Welcome, in front of me is an INFINIX Hot 11, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel and find the toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. Once you find it, the first time around you want to hold it, just because when you do it takes you to settings, and in here you can change things like your hotspot password, which as you can see by default is just some randomly generated cancer. So let's just remove this one and set our own. Now additionally you can touch upon some other settings right here, like the hotspot name, security and IP band, but I'm just going to keep it all default. So from here we can select save hotspot, and then all you need to do when you want to use it is tap on the toggle to turn it on. And when you're done with it, do remember to turn it off. It does consume more battery on your device, so there's really no reason for it to be running in the background if you're really not using it. So anyway, that is how you'd set it up, use it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.